Welcome to this knot tutorial from Xs Crafty Kits. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make loops or wings with square knots. This is the way that you can make things such as Christmas trees or butterfly wings. This method requires knowledge of the square knot. For a detailed video on how to tie a square knot, please find the link in the description. To make loops or wings with your square knots, simply tie a chain of square knots but leave a gap between each knot and slide the knot up the inner strands to create your loop. I hope you enjoyed learning this knot with me today. I love to see pictures of your work, so please don't forget to tag Xs Crafty Kits in any of your projects. And don't forget to subscribe for more mindful macrame knot tutorials. You can also visit my website, knotsandcrosses.com, for details of DIY macrame kits, or why not try a mischievous DIY cross-stitch kit.